Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cotton candy with just sugar. First, gather your granulated sugar and ensure your cotton candy machine is clean and ready. This sweet treat is surprisingly simple to create right in your own kitchen. We'll walk through each step, making sure you get perfect, fluffy results every time. Get ready to enjoy a classic carnival favorite without any special ingredients. Now, carefully add about 1 to 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar directly into the center receptacle of your cotton candy machine. Avoid overfilling to ensure optimal performance. Turn on the machine and let it heat up. As it warms, the sugar will melt and then begin to spin, creating those delicate, sugary strands we all love. Patience is key during this heating phase. Once the sugar starts spinning into threads, grab a paper cone or a stick. Gently hold it horizontally above the spinning head, twirling it around the rim of the machine. The fine sugar strands will catch onto the cone, building up into that familiar fluffy cloud. Keep twirling and collecting until you've reached your desired size. It's quite satisfying to watch it grow. There you have it, your very own homemade cotton candy, made with just sugar. Enjoy this delightful treat right away, as it's best when fresh and fluffy. Remember to clean your machine thoroughly after each use to keep it in top condition for many more sweet sessions. For those looking to improve their financial well-being, check out the description for a link to the Simple Path to Wealth and other great deals. It's a fantastic resource for anyone interested in smart money management. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.